A very good morning or good afternoon or good evening to Dr. Aslinda. My name is Teh Xiaotong and I would like to introduce our group members, which are Sim Wenjing, Lum Fuyan and our leader Ang Wei Kang. We have prepared this video for our group project explanation. First of all, the beginning of the code is data declaration. Some of the string will be predefined in this section. Next, for this line, the system will call code for print string. Next, the system load the address of string to print, and the syscall means print the string. This line is we will set the register T0 as 0. Next, we will let the register T4 be true and print integer. And also the same for the next line, which is let register T5 be true and print integer.
For the loop part, loop immediate v05, we ask the system to read the integer. This one. Then we put the syscall to let the system run. Move T1 V0 means that we copy the value of V0 into T1 so that T1 is equal to V0. T1 is input. BEQ T1 T0 quick. BEQ is branch equal to if the value of T1 is equal to T0, the system will go to quick section. This one. T0 is 0. We already registered at above this one. T1 is input, so if our input is equal to 0, the system will go to quick section. Loop immediate V01. This is a code for printing integer for T1. Move A0 T1. We copy the value of T1 into A0. A is argument used. System call. We just ask the system just do it. BEQ T4 T5 first num. T4 is 1 and T5 is 1. We already we registered at above already. In this case, if the value of T4 is equal to T5, the system will go to first num. This statement just for the first looping, because since that we only got one number inserted at the first time, then the number will be the first number and the largest number, as well as the smaller number so far. So in order to prevent the system will go to first num section again when second looping, we already register again that T4 is equal to 0. So when second time looping, T4 will be the 0. T5 will be T4 is 1. So BEQ T4 T5 first num will not executed because they are not same. T4 is 0, T5 is 1. BLE T1 T3 small num. BLE is branch less than or equal to. So if T1 is less than or equal to T0, T3, the system will go to small num. this one. BGE T1 T2 large num. BGE is branch greater than or equal to. So if T1 is greater than or equal to T2, the system will go to large num. Large num, this section. Look immediate V4, V04. This is a code for printing string. This one. Printing string. LA is load address from new line. New line at above. This one. The system will load address from the new line. This one. So that we print the result. Since call, ask the system just do it. JLoop. The system will jump to the loop again until the input that we insert is equal to T0, which is 0. The system will quit lah.
For the first number, load immediately, it means T4 equal to 0, set the first number equal to first if the first number equal to true. Then the second input is not equal to first number, then move the first number equal to largest number. After that, move the first number equal to the smallest number. Then load immediately V0 and 4 is code for system call print string. Then load address A0 pointer to string, load the address of the first. Then system call. After that, small number, load immediately V0 equal to 4, code for system call to print string. Then load address A0 to print the small message. Then system call to compare the input with the previous number. If the input is smallest number, then T3 equal to T1. After that, continue to load. If the number is not equal to smaller number, then will go to large number. Large number is also V0 equal to 4 to print string. Then load address A0 to print the large message. After that, system call also to compare the input with the previous number. If the input is largest number, then T2 equal to T1. Then the inputs become the largest number. After that, we will continue the loop until the end.
T1 is user input. T0 is 0, already set to the 0. When the user input equal to the 0, we'll go to quit. If not, we'll continue to the loop. When the user input 0, we'll go to here. First, the code for is for print string and print the smaller message to the screen. The smaller integer. Then the code 1 is for print integer. The T3 is the smaller number, already have the value from the above, and move to the A0 and print to the screen. Similarly, from the smaller number, print the code 4 is print string and print the larger message. Here, larger integer, and then the code 1 also print the integer T2 is the larger number, already got the value from above. Move to the A0 and print the number to the screen. And last, also call the function print screen and print the exit message. Here, print to the screen. Program end. Thank you. This code is for end the program.